If you work online like me, you need to be safe. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to connect your proxy for Proxy4U to GoLogin to make sure everything you're doing online is completely secure. Guys, it's the most affordable price I'm going to show you very soon, but disclaimer, I am living the dream. And if you want to live this dream in safety, you need proxy. Let me show you how to do that.
All right, guys, so what I'm going to be showing you first is how to get yourself proxy. Now, you're going to go over to Proxy4U, and you can actually try right now 1 gigabyte for absolutely free. So if you don't believe me, this is the best service out there. Please try it for free. Let me know in the comments. First thing you're going to do is log in. Once you've logged in, guys, you're going to go to your dashboard. Now, this is exactly how you need to get yourself a proxy. Okay, it's very, very simple. So if you're going to use residential, I'm going to use that for today. All right, guys, and once you've purchased your proxy off them, feel free to just hit their customer support at the bottom. Okay, it's going to come up with how much you have. Okay, I have 95 gigabytes left. So this is how it's going to go. We are now going to choose a default targeting and connect this to GoLogin. So you have your proxy already, okay? And we also have an account with GoLogin. All these links, guys, will be down below. Right, what do you need to do? First thing you need to do on GoLogin is new profile, okay? In this new profile, the first thing, give it a name. Let's go with YouTube test, okay? Then you're gonna go with your proxy. Now this is where you input it. This is where lots of people online are getting confused, and that's why I want to make this video. So you can have these saved if you want, but if you haven't got it saved and you're brand new at this, first thing you're gonna choose is what proxy. Now, with Proxy4U, they can do SOCKS 5 or HTTP and HTTPS. Most people are always gonna choose HTTP. So we're gonna choose that. Then we're gonna start inputting the credentials from Proxy4U. So as we go back, you can see here, what country are we choosing for default targeting? Let's, for example, take this to Brazil. Okay, we want to use a Brazil proxy. Now, I'm going to choose sticky next. Okay, so once I've chosen Brazil, I'm going to go down and choose sticky. This is going to allow me to have a proxy that is going to change in the intervals I choose. You can see the question mark here. Set the interval for the IP rotation for sticky proxy. So what this means is if I choose here 30, that means every 30 minutes, this will change the IP, allowing that. Say if I'm using it for Facebook, Instagram, and they always say, hey, you've been doing too many friend requests, you've been doing too many of this. This will change that. So your IP is never the same every 30 minutes, and you can choose whatever interval you want to do. So I'm going to use sticky. If you use rotating, guys, it will change at a faster rate, okay? But you don't choose the interval for that. Next thing, guys, keep all of this the same. All right, simply keep all of this the same. The most important part here is down here. Okay, now you can see the username and password and everything in both here. So let me go through this. The first thing you're going to do is copy and paste this part here all the way until you see these 2 dots. These 2 dots, okay? Everything before these 2 dots is your username. So copy this. We're gonna go over here and in our login, we're gonna paste the login. Now, guys, as we go to the password, and you can see at the end here, BR, that's for Brazil. So you can always just double check. The password for this is going to be everything after them dots up until the @ sign. Okay, so we copy these. Actually, we take it after the dots. We copy these like this. Okay, we go up and we paste it in. That is the password. Now, IP address. What we're going to do for that, we're going to copy everything after the @ Yes, you're right. Up until the next 2 dots. You can see there's a pattern here. Every time there's an @ or dot, you need to just copy and paste that amount. In the IP address, we're going to paste this. Okay, it's going to be proxy.proxy4u.com. It should be pretty much the same for all the proxies you use in Proxy4U. And the port, guys, is very important. Now, the port is the last numbers. Now, you can actually change, if this doesn't work, you can change anything from the 10,000 to 20,000. Okay, so for example, I put this here. If this doesn't work, I can change this to 11,000. I can change it to 11,500. Doesn't matter. As long as it's between 10,000 and 20,000. There you go, guys. All right, if we're doing mobile proxy, I'll discuss this in another video. But now we're going to check the proxy. So watch this. I click check proxy here. Just above my head, you can see proxy in Brazil, San Antonio de Padua. All right, this is the HTTP, and we have the proxy now. Let me move myself out of the way. We're going to create this profile. I'm going to go to YouTube test right now and press run. What's going to happen, guys? When we press run, it's going to now download this proxy. It's going to allow us to use it. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is click view. Once you click view, it's going to open up automatically and give you a little beep beep. Okay, like you heard then, into the proxies. Now the proxy is running. So what I want to do for this video is type in what is my IP address. Okay, this is going to allow us to double check this IP address is correct. Okay, so if we go to what is my IP address, let's see what it says. And I want to prove to you that this is fast, it's reliable, and it works. And you can see now, guys, that the proxy has opened up. We can go into anything we want. We can type in here, Google, we can go searching, okay, and it's going to work fast, reliable, or whatever you need to do. So, guys, that's exactly how you need to do this. I'm going to make loads more videos about this, so please just keep rewatching, okay? It's a little bit confusing to begin. Basically, all the information is on Proxy4U, and then you can go and put all the information into GoLogin.
There you go, guys. I'm out here living the dream in safety, and you now know exactly how to set up your proxy with GoLogin. If you need any more help, let me know in the comments, guys. I'm going to be making more videos like this because I want people to live the life they dream about, but without having to worry about hackers, attackers, and anything else that can go wrong online. Stay tuned, hit that like button, hit subscribe button, hit the bell if you're notified. I'll see you next time.